Hi everyone! In this episode, my wife and I fixing a ceiling fan light switch. Join me to see the family activity. It's a good idea to have a spare switch and chain extension before starting the repair. A link to all the tools and spare parts is specified in the description below. Make sure you turn off the power to the fan and the light. Locate the screws holding the light cover and unscrew them to release the cover. Inspect and evaluate the problem to verify that the switch is indeed the issue. Unscrew the secure nut of the switch and draw the switch from the cover. Release the electric wires from the switch by using a small flathead screwdriver. To release the wire, the small screwdriver should go between the steel plate and the wire to lift the plate and release the wire. If you like this video, you are welcome to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Insert the wire into the new switch. It doesn't matter which wire goes into which hole. In our case, while the first wire was inserted easily, the second wire was more challenging. We used sharp nose plier to get a good grip near the end of the wire. The end of the wire should be stiff, either by soldering the tip or by crimping the terminal. Make sure the cables are well secured in the switch by pulling them slightly to ensure they are not loose. Make sure there are no exposed parts of the electric wire that can touch metal components around. Thread the chain through the hole in the cover and place the switch in the hole. Thread the securing nut on the chain and screw it onto the thread of the switch. Note the nut direction so the rounded corner faces outwards. This is the corner where the chain rubs. Visually inspect that the grounding wire are connected to the body of the fan. Before closing the cover, it's a good time to check that the switch is working properly. Mount the cover back on the fan. Visually align the holes for the screws. Insert the screws, beginning manually until the screws finds the thread. Then continue screwing the screws without reaching the end of the thread, allowing for the installation of the other screws. After all the screws are in place, fully tighten them. Add an extension to the chain if needed. And that's it, the fan is ready! Replacing the fan speed switch is identical in all steps, except that the wire order should be kept as in the original position. Take a picture of the wires order before disconnecting them from the old switch. See you in the next video!